Hello friends, good day. Welcome on board Mariner Reg. International Regulation for Preventing Collision at Sea 1972, in short COLREGS or Rule of the Road, is simple provided you understand it and interpret it correctly. In this COLREGS series, I shall pose real scenarios which would make things much clearer to understand COLREGS in a better way.
Rule 30. Anchored vessels. A vessel at anchor shall exhibit where it can best be seen. In the forepart, an all-round white light or one ball. At or near the stern and at a lower level than the light prescribed in subparagraph I, an all-round white light. A vessel of less than 50 meters in length may exhibit an all-round white light where it can best be seen instead of the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule. A vessel at anchor may, and a vessel of 100 meters and more in length shall, also use the available working or equivalent lights to illuminate her decks.